Hello everyone, Caleb here, and today I'm going to do a DVD review of Engines and Escapades. This is the only US DVD to feature season 11 episodes, and it was narrated by Michael Brandon. And the best part is, it doesn't have any learning segments. Now let's look at the front cover. First of all, I like the logo and the island of solar map. And there's Thomas and the wharf model, I shall call it, because of his face. It's an okay cover. Now let's look at the back cover. There is Madge, and there is a photo from Wash Behind Your Buffers, my favorite season 11 episode. And the word I would describe this DVD is, I don't know, because I am tired because I just got home from work. Well, time for me to take a nap. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.